Hi guys, hope you're doing alright. It's getting a bit wintry now, isn't it? Getting a bit of a nip in the air. I'd just like to ask you for a huge favour, please. Please could you subscribe to my new channel? There isn't actually anything to see on there, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build up some kind of following so that when I put videos on there, there'll be some kind of activity going. What it's all about is it's all about the van. So the Bedford van is nearing completion, as I've said a few times on recent blogs, and it's been a real uphill struggle with a lot of things, a bit of an emotional roller coaster over the past year because the name that we wanted to call the business was taken away from us. We were threatened with court action when we applied for a trademark, so we've actually had to change the name since, which was a bit of an upset because we had our heart set on the name we were going to call it. So we're going to do like a social media kind of thing around the van, and what we hope to do is show the viewers the running of the van, so the trials and tribulations and the highs and the lows of running a catering business, mobile vintage catering business, which is going to be interesting, isn't it? And we're going to be really going for it in a big way. We're going to be doing cake making, not myself, my wife, the lovely Tracy is going to be doing that, so that's Birdie. The company's going to, or the business is going to be called The Baking Bird, and it's going to focus mostly around my wife Tracy, her baking, running of the van. Obviously I'll be involved in that as well, and meeting our suppliers. We've met some fantastic local farmers, and also we hope to do some, you know, tours around places like Shipton Mill, that's not too far from us, that's a great flour producer. Cackle bean eggs that produce the most amazing eggs, almost fluorescent yellow in colour because they're fed on such a unique blend of feed. So I'm not going to waffle on anymore. There's nothing actually to see at the moment, but I will be putting a few little updates, a few little catch-ups on the van. Just this last week gone off and got the sign writing sorted out. It's not on the van. It's not even been printed out yet, but we've put our order in, we've thrashed out what we wanted with a local business, Signcraft. Thank you very much, Signcraft. Lovely chap there, Ollie's helped us out, so thank you, Ollie. And hopefully we'll be getting the sign writing in the next week or so, and then I'll be getting that on the van. I might do a little bit of a video on that, and I've just been sort of trying to iron out a lot of the faults. The brakes, I've had to do the brakes again. I bought a cheapo set of Chinese wheel cylinders, the only ones that are actually available for the van now, and they've all failed, so I've got to do all that again. So there's lots of like things I've modified that need a bit of adjustment or a bit of a tweak as well, so I'm sort of desperately trying to get it on the road. And when it's on the road, of course, we're going into the winter, unfortunately, so it means that we won't be doing a great deal, but this may, I kind of think, help us settle into the business rather than it being a full-on, you know, middle of the summer thing. It might be a good chance for us to take that couple of months to ease ourselves into it. So anyway, what purpose of this really is just to ask you if you could just subscribe to the new channel. There's a link in the video description called The Baking Bird. Please subscribe to us, even if you're not going to watch the videos, because you will be doing us a huge favour. And if you don't want to watch the videos, just don't press notifications, you know, don't press have the bell on, and then you won't be bothered by when we, you know, upload new content. But I'm sure it'd be interesting anyway. So anyway, thank you very much, and thanks for your support. Cheers guys. bye.